Oh my fucking god.
We survived the nuke.
Oh my god, it's Sonic Jew!
Oh no.
What is happening back there? How do we open this door?
It's open.
No, I'm being sealed in this other room.
Don't worry, guys. I'll get him. For my country!
I'll try to make you my special class D.
What?
The end
Face the wall, Duncan.
You can't shoot
Face
me.
the wall.
I don't have if I don't have a gun.
Can you please pick up a gun?
Hey, did you see this guy right here?
I tried to shoot him.
Oh my god. Which one?
The scientist just shot me.
Dude,
You can't do that!
Gage, where are you?
Guys, watch out, he's coming in the room, he has a gun! Where's Jerry? What the f***? Run, hide. Oh,
Don't
shit.
hide right here with me.
He's up there, he's shooting. Walk right past him. I'm gonna sit down on the couch here.
Oh, it's a nice day.
Ah, Duncan, hide. Yeah, I'm in an interrogation.
I'm free in the facility right now.
Duncan, oh my Christ, what? Oh my Christ, this game's ass.
Get him.
Okay,
Get his ass, Gage.
Yes, I got him. I'm not
Oh.
getting any f***ing money though.
This is so. Look at this guy, Gage.
I'm on the I switch sides. Duncan, if you have a gun, now's the time.
Oh, Gage, here he comes.
Oh shit.
This sucks. Oh,
Oh shit.
What the fuck is happening?
Alright. I'll be back on now later. If you get this going, but my a little itchy and I gotta fix that.
How do you fix that?
Oh, you just scratch your ass.
Jesus.
I need my Giuseppe's pizza. I'm gonna be darkness.
Can I bring light to your darkness?
Yeah.
When Duncan's goes for his meeting, I'll need to go to bed.
Oh, you.
Because I work a full-time job that
Oh yeah.
employs me year-round.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, buddy.
I want to enjoy my Giuseppe's pizza without having mom and dad fighting.
Well, then you shouldn't. You shouldn't have been born into this household.
Yeah.
Just-
Your name isn't technology, is it?
No, it's still belch cannon. Is orange juice a good mixer with whiskey?
No.
Oh,
Maybe a
lemonade.
chaser.
Yeah, lemonade is,
Or
with
Pepsi or Coke.
I got water or orange juice.
How about you get a job, you fucking EI bum?
Really, you want to go band for band? You want to go band for band?
Band for band? What are you, 12? Yeah, but like telling everyone on like Instagram is pretty stupid.
What the f- That actually scared me so bad.
What mental power are you? Get the away from me!
I'm gonna touch you. Was that the person who went to our school?
Yeah, the
Yes.
one who was eating can. Remember the one who was eating canned ravioli in Miss Lawrence's class? She's always running late with her backpack higher than her head.
She was always shoving people out of the way, that one. I'm gonna kill you, Gage.
Why? I have an interest. All right. Get the, oh, you were
I'm more powerful.
I must become more powerful to make up for my little penis.
Are you going to spend Robux on this game too, just for it to get taken down next week?
No, actually, I learned my lesson. Thank you.
Oh, I just realized German's 45. He's gonna die soon. You harlot!
Oh my god!
Where'd you go, Duncan?
I died. You killed me.
Oh, sweet. I get your money. Oh, sweet coins.
Oh, sweet coins.
Dude, they have Channing Tatum rubbing up. And I forget who, but a dude's fucking eye. He's rubbing up on that shit.
On Danny McBride.
Oh, yeah, on Danny McBride. He's literally
He's
humping
Danny
Channing.
McBride's gimp.
Yeah.
That's true.
I
I
burnt,
mean, that's accurate too.
guys. I
That's
burnt my
accurate too.
Giuseppe's
Okay,
pizza.
Aiden, I won't bring up your parents' situation if you won't bring up my lack of situation. All right, we have to have manners.
Guys, I burned my Giuseppe's pizza.
What?
Like, it's black.
Duncan.
I think I put it in for too long.
Duncan, just because it's black doesn't mean there's something wrong with it, you racist.
It's just crunchier, you know?
No, bro. Okay, let me see. Let me see it.
You want to
Yeah.
see it?
Yeah, see it. Let me see it. Take a picture and send it to the group chat. He's trying to win. I beat it at the half.
Head on. Here.
Oh God! You can't salvage that, bro. I'm sorry. That tastes like pure carbon fiber.
Oh, it's making weird sounds when I cut it.
You're actually not going to eat that. Dunk. Like, do you need money?
Oh, it's steamy.
Well, yeah, obviously, bro.
Let's all calm down. Let's all calm down.
Jeez, what was that?
I don't know. Let's f this pig.
Pause.
No pause. Spent 40. It was like 40 minutes playing a wait in line game.
What?
Yeah, freaky prison line.
Yeah, freaky prison line, and like the end of the line, you got into Diddy's party or some
Did you
shit.
think that, like, why? Why did you spend 40 minutes on it?
I want to see.
He wanted to see. I wanted to leave, but I was this stupid drive.
Aren't you scared, Gage? At Roblox
No, it's a
horror?
Roblox game. This is scary.
Are you scared of Roblox?
Gage,
Game
I
ain't
heard.
scary, but that
Gage,
being said, we should
slow
hurry up.
down. Slow down. You're gonna get Aiden killed if you leave him behind. I heard that you cried at that one Roblox horror game, Gage. Why, like...
Wait, what? What one?
I don't remember, but I remember Dale telling me, like, you were, like, in tears.
Oh my god. Gage, you cried?
What, was I laughing?
No, you got scared so bad that you burst into tears.
Yeah, wait, why is there a hiding mechanic?
Because there's monsters.
Oh, cool. Well, that's good to know.
It's a spooky game.
No, I don't remember. Boys, I'm going to be so dead ass now. I genuinely do not remember crying at a Roblox game.
You just got really attached to the character.
No. The only game I ever cried at was Red Dead 2.
Yeah, this was like a Red Dead but horror on Roblox, and it made you sad but also scared.
No, that's how I know you're making it up. That's how I fucking know you're making it up.
I got the key, guys.
Oh, well, then
nice.
open the fucking door then.
I just got it.
Oh,
The thing that's talking.
Yeah, that it hurts you if you look at it.
all right, boys. It's just you got to walk past it with your head down, just like walking through a bad neighborhood.
Dude, that's
You
like
know
Queen
all about-
Street, Toronto, yeah.
Yeah. But you probably know all about that.
Okay, those two are good. And then we gotta swap these two, yeah.
Damn.
Good job.
Oh,
I'm just gonna die though.
no, 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 no. Come on, Duncan. Try to. Oh, God.
Are you alright? You saw two of the monsters. Did you get scared, Gage?
You. You ever get a foot job, Aiden?
What do you want to know?
Just curious.
It would have been so funny if I was the only one that was just like completely naked.
You just
Wait,
love getting naked around boys, don't you?
it's right here.
Something's whispering to me.
Oh.
Look around. Look around.
Oh!
Aiden just died.
That genuinely scared me.
Yeah, the little. You don't cry. It's okay.
You, man.
Guys.
Are you eating it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude! Don't eat it.
Why?
You'd be a fly ass crack addict though.
No, it'd be like scary because like you already can't understand like what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Like he's a very enigma. Who the is this guy?
What the?
Oh my god!
What?
I wish I was a woman, and I'm gonna send Y and Dinky wet. I wish I was a woman. Sometimes.
You'd think yourself all day.
I just wonder what it'd be like, you know? I would set a
Yes.
good example for the women that come after me. Where are you guys?
We're still in the lobby.
What the is the sushi video, Aiden?
That's why he wants to be a woman.
This is.
Sorry, Gage. Sorry if you weren't ready for that.
He's more used to you talking about femboys and like.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Literally, like out of nowhere, he'll just be like, "I sometimes I drive to the previews of the femboy porn."
I'll be completely honest here, boys. What kind of porn has previews? I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting hella coins right now.
Yeah, but if you die, you lose them.
What was that?
Wait,
That was me taking a deep breath and then also choking on my own spit.
No, what was that noise in the game?
Oh. I don't know.
maybe we should. Okay, I'm just gonna take a quick look.
Oh,
Well, Gage, I'm gonna try the. I'm gonna test the mixture first.
Why do my farts smell so amazing to me?
Behind you, Aiden.
Oh my god. Oh,
Not good?
dude, it's swamp water.
during my time in the swamps, we had no mixed fall whiskey. Duncan, is it true that you spent my birthday in Toronto?
Technically, no.
Oh my god.
Oh,
You were in Toronto, but you weren't at my birthday? What the hell? What were you doing? Spending time with your family like a weirdo?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh my
No!
god.
Duncan, I can't be alone right now. Hold my hand.
You guys remember Shane Dawson? Like, whatever happened to Shane Dawson?
I think this cat and he found irrelevancy.
Dude, he had to put his cat down because he exploded it from the inside.
Wait,
Are you
what?
serious?
Wait, what? Wait, what? No, don't eat. Elaborate.
I'm sorry. I couldn't hold it in. No, I made that up. Invite?
Other players.
Invite?
Yes.
Aiden.
Aiden, join, Aiden, join.
I don't know how. I don't know how.
Oh, it's other players. He's inviting you. You dumbass.
I don't know where. It's not popping up on my screen. You fucking dickhead.
Oh my! Fix your Wi-Fi. You fucking you trog. Okay, you trog.
You're a trog. I don't even know what a trog is. You
A
Frog?
troglodyte.
I bet
you
you're
fucking
a
moron.
troglodyte? You're a
Yes!
hermaphrodite, dude. You're...
This is Aiden. This is your own fault. Ram him. Ram him.
Oh my... Are you kidding me right now, guys?
Drive off. Drive off. Drive off. Sail off.
When you asked me if I thought I could walk home, all the way home from your house, I thought you meant like I had, like I should leave and like go back home, like walk home. Like that's how geeked I was.
Yeah.
Do you guys ever smell underneath your foreskin?
No.
Yep. Remember hiding around the island?
What?
Oh wait, is the shark?
Right here.
Okay. 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 No, you, bro. I'm swimming.
It won't let me on the island.